नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं कंट्री इनसाइड का डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म। मैं हूं आपके साथ निधि सिंह। अभी इस वक्त हम श्री राम सेंट्रलियन स्कूल में मौजूद हैं और यहाँ के प्रिंसिपल स्मिता जोशी क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं, क्योंकि हालांकि बीते दिन 10th का रिजल्ट जारी हुआ और यहाँ पे कई बच्चों ने अपने परचम लहराए हैं। और यहाँ की प्रिंसिपल देखिए इस रिपोर्ट में क्या कुछ कह रही है।
We are extremely proud that the students of Sri Ram Centennial School have performed exceptionally well in the examinations. Both class 10 and 12 students have given excellent academic results, and we are extremely proud of their achievement. This reflects upon their dedication and hard work, not only of the students but also of the teachers who have been working very hard to teach them all the concepts academical as well as all other kind of co-curricular aspects like their personality development, etc., which they require later on in their lives, which is as important as the academic results of the board. Our students have been performing consistently throughout the years. They have been taking the board examinations, and every year, batch after batch, they have been giving excellent results. They have been scoring marks, 100% marks in some subjects, 99%, 98%, which is not a small achievement. This is not only the case with our students who have been with us for many years, students who have taken admission in class 11 from other schools in our school, those who were quite average students also, when they have passed out in class 12, they have done results which have surprised them, their parents as well, that they have got such good marks which nobody expected. So which shows directly, how well our teachers, the faculty, they are working so hard. They are very experienced. They have been teaching the student, coaching the student, keeping in mind the curriculum of the CBSE as well as the competition that the children will face once they are out from class 12. All the students have to go through competitive examinations to get into the careers of their choice and also guide them for the competitive examinations. In fact, we tell our students that they should not even go for coaching institutes for any kind of coaching after class 10, because the teachers are capable enough to give them all the guidance that they need to even crack all the competitive examinations. This is what we try to do, encouraging our students to to join back our school in after class 10, and of course for other students as well.